Denial of service attacks and decentralized applications aim to disrupt or completely halt their functionality, preventing legitimate users from accessing services. While dApps are built on decentralized networks, they are still susceptible to DoS attacks due to common developer mistakes. Here are three key errors that leave dApps vulnerable. One common mistake is implementing loops within smart contracts without proper bounds or limits. If an attacker can manipulate inputs to trigger an unbounded loop, the contract can become bogged down in endless iterations, consuming excessive resources and effectively halting the dApp. This can be likened to a runaway train, where the contract keeps executing code without stopping, ultimately crashing the system. Another error is creating functions that consume significant resources, such as excessive gas usage or complex computations. Attackers can exploit these functions by repeatedly calling them, overloading the network and causing the dApp to slow down or even crash. This is similar to a traffic jam where an excessive number of vehicles clog the road, preventing others from passing through. Smart contracts require gas, a form of payment, to execute transactions. If a developer fails to properly manage gas costs, attackers can exploit this by sending transactions that consume an excessive amount of gas. This can deplete the dApp's resources, making it impossible for other users to interact with it. Imagine a restaurant running out of ingredients. Without enough resources, it can no longer serve customers. By understanding and addressing these common developer mistakes, dApp developers can mitigate the risk of DoS attacks and ensure the resilience and availability of their application.